Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Good day and welcome to your 8th lecture of development communication. Our today's lecture is the concept and the objectives of development support communication. Students, as you know, this lecture is the continuation of lecture 7 where we studied the definition and historical perspective of development support communication, and I really hope you watched that. So we will come to the concept and the objective of development support communication, but first let us remind the definition of development support communication. Development support communication is a specially designed communication strategies which support a particular developmental program that undertakes the exchange of messages at a participatory level to achieve specific goals of change and development. Now we come to the concept of development support communication. As you see on the screen, the first concept is development planning and implementation. Development support communication involves development planning, that how a developmental project is systematically planned, then how that developmental project is implemented in that specific area or a community. The second one is social, economical, political and cultural aspects for change. Development support communication takes into account all the aspects of a specific community that are social, economical, political and cultural aspects, and keeping these aspects in mind in the pursuit of bringing upon development and positive change. The third one is professional communication. Development support communication comes out of the need to meet the professional communication roles in developmental process and bring about positive change in a society with a strategic and professional communication. The fourth concept of development support communication is understanding the local condition. The primary role of development support communication is problem solving, and the development issue begins with a systematic understanding of local condition. The last and the most important concept of development support communication is development support communication deals with an issue on a grassroots level, and it is an upward development communication, means it is not directly from the authorities or the investor or the government or the non-governmental organization. These authorities hire people from that specific community who have good communication skills to influence the common people and the influential people of that specific community or that specific area in attaining development and positive change in that specific society, community or area. Now we come to the objectives of development support communication. As you see on the screen, the first objective is to bring about change in a limited area. It's probably the major objective of development support communication. Development support communication is to bring about change in a limited or specific area to create awareness among the people and aware them about the new innovation. The second objective is specific and participatory communication. Development support communication emerged as a more specific and participatory communication effort to educate people of the remote and rural areas. The third objective is to target the intended audience. Development support communication aim is targeting the intended audience to achieve specific and defined goals of positive change and development. Last but not the least, the usage of limited technological based communication media. The most important objective of development support communication is that it does not depend on technological based media. Rather, it uses a local or a community media to convey a developmental messages, or they use all the available means of communication to convey their message of development. Development support communication also rely heavily on interpersonal communication and group communication settings. Thank you so much. I hope you understand what really is the concept and the objectives of development support communication. And if you didn't, then do let me know in the comments below.